Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta salad for weight loss. To begin, focus on foundational choices that make a big difference. Prioritize whole grain pasta for its fiber content, which aids digestion and satiety. Next, pack your salad with a variety of fresh, non-starchy vegetables for essential nutrients and volume without excess calories. Finally, select lean protein sources and a light, oil-based dressing to keep your meal balanced and delicious. When selecting ingredients, aim for nutrient density. Choose whole grain pasta, limiting your portion to about 1/4 cup dry per serving. Incorporate a rainbow of colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers for vitamins and crunch. For protein, consider grilled chicken breast, canned tuna, or chickpeas. A simple homemade vinaigrette with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and vinegar is ideal. Preparing your pasta salad is straightforward. Cook your chosen pasta al dente according to package directions, then rinse it with cold water to stop cooking and prevent sticking. While the pasta cools, chop all your fresh vegetables into uniform bite-sized pieces. Gently combine the cooled pasta, vegetables, protein, and dressing in a large bowl. For best flavor, chill the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Feel free to customize your pasta salad to your taste. Experiment with fresh herbs like basil or dill, and spices such as black pepper or a pinch of red pepper flakes. You can also add a small amount of healthy fats, like 1/4 of an avocado, for extra creaminess. Remember, portion control is crucial for weight management. Enjoy your delicious, satisfying, and healthy pasta salad as a main meal or a side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.